Now, let's talk about 3 KPI traps. Trap number 1, Vanity Metrics. Well, numbers that look impressive but change nothing. Meetings conducted, reports submitted, emails sent, and slides presented. The question is never how much activities happen. The question is what value was created. And trap number 2, activity metrics. Measuring effort instead of outcome. And counting a salesperson calls but never their sales. And counting a quality team's inspections but never their defects reductions. So, and the last one, trap number 3, single metrics. The moment people chase one number alone, strange behavior appears. Push only quantity, quality suffers. And push only lowest cost, reliability suffers. And if you push only revenue, profit suffer. That's why balance matters. Now, the metric is not the destination. The metric is merely a signboard. Never confuse the signboard with the destination.